Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Stripe Issuing. Review my usage experience. Stripe Issuing, as the name suggests, allows businesses to create and manage virtual and physical cards for their employees or contractors. It's aimed at companies needing a streamlined solution for expense management and disbursement of funds. Key features include setting spending limits, controlling access, and generating detailed reports. Their website provides details on various pricing plans and integrations. Stripe Issuing positions itself as a flexible and secure solution, highlighting its integration with existing Stripe accounts for seamless management. They emphasize ease of use and transparency, claiming no hidden fees and offering various control features for managing expenses. Availability is dependent on your location and eligibility as a Stripe user. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Stripe Issuing. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented, and I had my first virtual card set up within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays all active cards, spending limits, and transaction history. I particularly liked the granular control over individual cards. I could easily set daily spending limits and restrict certain categories of purchases. The performance was excellent, transactions processed quickly, and the reporting features were incredibly helpful in tracking expenses. I had a quick question about customizing reporting options, and their support responded within a day via email. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for managing cards on the go, which sometimes felt cumbersome. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to instantly freeze or unfreeze cards, providing an immediate security measure. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Stripe Issuing. It streamlined our expense management significantly, and the robust control features gave me peace of mind. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs, and I would recommend it to businesses looking for a reliable and scalable solution for managing company spending. That's my overview of Stripe Issuing. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.